Okay, obviously verdict reaction.
I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at the verdict, and I'm not that surprised at how quickly it came in.
Why do you say you're not surprised?
Well, Michael and I were obviously, prepared for this eventuality. They had a real strong case, and when it went together as Mrs. Mills said it would, and it was a pretty powerful argument to the jury this morning.
Is Michael saying anything? How did he react?
Stoically, with class, like he's reacted through this whole procedure. I've been with him a year now, and he's been a gentleman about this.
Was he going into this thinking the odds were really against him here?
I don't know. I couldn't say that. I think Michael was optimistic, as any defendant is who puts it on the line in a murder trial. Being an attorney, I look at it a little bit more realistically, maybe, but we were ready for this.
I mean, that testimony from John Ryan and from Krishina, that had to be really the toughest parts.
Yeah, I got to believe that that's what put the people over the top in terms of convincing the jury.
Yeah. What about the family? Obviously, Michael's family took it really hard.
Yeah, he's got a daughter too, and they're taking it very hard. They're nice people.
What happens next? Is this an automatic appeal?
Well, yes, as a matter of fact, you have to appeal from a murder conviction. I will file a notice of appeal on the date of sentencing on October 20th. That'll preserve Michael's right to appeal, and then we'll see where he goes from there.
To be honest, it seems like it kind of hit you pretty hard too here now.
I've worked on this case for a year, yeah, and 2-hour verdict's a pretty quick verdict. So, yeah. To the Watertown PD too. And to give credit to Chief Goss and Lieutenant Dorigo and all of those guys, Kroon, and all those guys did a wonderful job with their investigation. They had some problems with it, as you do any police investigation, but credit is to be given to the Watertown PD to stay after this the way they did.
How's Michael doing? I saw you kind of patting him on the back and stuff.
He's probably doing better than I am right at the moment. Mike's been very stoic about this. We talked a lot about, what might happen today and how quickly it might happen. And, he's been a gentleman all through this, and he's shown me a lot of class and a lot of human spirit. And he'll get through this. He'll pursue his appeal. I think we made a good record for him to pursue an appeal based on the various rulings and things that went on. And I just wish him the best.